Japan's Defense Equipment Agency has begun testing an unmanned aircraft developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI, that is equipped with artificial intelligence, AI. This groundbreaking drone is designed to assess new aviation technologies in real-world flight conditions, collecting crucial data to refine AI and its role in unmanned aerial systems. The new FTB, Flight Test Bed, unmanned aircraft features a highly modular design, allowing it to be adapted for different missions. Its interchangeable wings and tail sections can quickly transform the FTB into either a combat or reconnaissance drone. This flexibility enables various operations and supports multi-domain testing. Each FTB model is over 3 meters in length. The combat configuration has a wingspan of over 2 meters, while the reconnaissance version features a wingspan of more than 3 meters. Both variants are equipped with electro-optical and infrared (EO/IR) sensors, with the reconnaissance model also including a synthetic aperture radar (SAR) for enhanced surveillance. The Defense Equipment Agency plans to carry out experimental flights with AI control, gathering data on how the AI behaves in both real and simulated conditions. This data is critical for understanding AI performance and developing a standardized flight control interface. The FTB project is part of a broader collaboration between Japan and the US. The Ministry of Defense and the US Air Force are working together on a project called Overwhelming Response through Collaborative Autonomy, which aims to develop unmanned aerial vehicles that can work in sync with manned aircraft. These loyal wingmen will be a key part of Japan's next-generation fighter fleet, enhancing mission capabilities and operational flexibility.